Have you ever woken up in the morning feeling just as tired as when you went to bed? Maybe you toss and turn at night, struggling to get comfortable, or you wake up multiple times without knowing why. If you're over 70 and having trouble sleeping, you're not alone. But what if I told you that certain sleep mistakes could actually be shortening your life? Sleep isn't just about rest, it's one of the most important factors in keeping your brain sharp, your heart strong, and your body energized. In fact, scientists have found that poor sleep is linked to a higher risk of heart disease, memory problems, and even a shorter lifespan. But the good news? Fixing these mistakes is easy, and once you do, your sleep can improve dramatically, adding years to your life. Welcome back to Better After 60, your trusted source for health, longevity, and well-being. In today's video, we're diving into 4 common sleep mistakes people over 70 make and how to fix them to improve your sleep, health, and overall quality of life. Let's start with the first big mistake: not getting enough sunlight during the day. Now, you might be wondering, what does sunlight have to do with sleep? The answer is everything. Your body has an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, which controls when you feel awake and when you feel sleepy. This rhythm is regulated by light exposure, particularly natural sunlight. When you don't get enough sunlight, especially in the morning, your body gets confused and doesn't produce enough melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy at night. This is why many seniors find themselves wide awake at bedtime, but feeling tired and sluggish during the day. The solution? Make it a daily habit to get at least 20 to 30 minutes of natural sunlight, especially in the morning. Go for a short walk outside after breakfast. Sit by a sunny window while reading or enjoying coffee. Spend time gardening or doing light outdoor activities. By increasing your daylight exposure, your body will naturally adjust, making it easier to fall asleep at night and wake up feeling refreshed. Now, let's talk about the second big mistake: drinking the wrong beverages before bed. A lot of people love having a cup of tea, coffee, or even a small glass of alcohol in the evening, thinking it helps them unwind. But here's the shocking truth: these drinks could be ruining your sleep. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, soda, and even chocolate, stays in your system for up to 10 hours. Even if you drink coffee in the afternoon, it can still disrupt your sleep at night. Alcohol may make you feel sleepy at first, but it actually prevents deep sleep, making you wake up more often and feel groggy in the morning. So, what should you drink instead? Switch to herbal teas like chamomile or valerian root. Both are proven to help with relaxation and better sleep. Drink warm water with a little honey. This can be soothing and won't interfere with your sleep cycle. Make sure you stop drinking liquids at least 1 to 2 hours before bed to avoid waking up for bathroom trips. By making these small but powerful changes, you'll be setting yourself up for longer, deeper, and more restorative sleep, which means better health and a longer life. We've now covered 2 major sleep mistakes that could be making your nights restless and your days exhausting. But there are 2 more mistakes that can have an even bigger impact on your sleep and overall well-being. In the next part, we'll reveal one habit that many seniors do without realizing it's harming their sleep, and a simple fix that can make all the difference. So stick with me, because your best nights of sleep are still ahead. Now that we've covered not getting enough sunlight and drinking the wrong beverages before bed, let's move on to the third sleep mistake that many people over 70 make: using screens too close to bedtime. You might love watching television in the evening or scrolling through your phone before bed, but these habits could be tricking your brain into staying awake when it should be winding down. Here's why. Electronic screens like TVs, smartphones, tablets, and even LED light bulbs emit something called blue light. Blue light suppresses melatonin, the hormone responsible for making you feel sleepy. This means that if you're watching television or looking at your phone in bed, your body thinks it's still daytime and doesn't prepare for sleep. This is why so many seniors struggle to fall asleep, even when they feel tired. How to fix this mistake. Turn off screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Instead of watching television or scrolling through your phone, try reading a book, listening to relaxing music, or doing some light stretches. Use warm, dim lighting in the evening. Switch to soft, warm-colored light bulbs instead of bright LED lights in your bedroom. If you need to use a device, enable night mode. Many smartphones and tablets have a night mode setting that reduces blue light exposure. By making this simple change, you're allowing your body to naturally produce melatonin, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Now, let's talk about the fourth and possibly most harmful sleep mistake. Having an inconsistent sleep schedule. Many seniors fall into the habit of going to bed and waking up at different times each day. Some nights, you might stay up later watching a movie, while other nights, you go to bed early. Or maybe you take long naps during the day and struggle to sleep at night. The problem? Your body thrives on routine. An irregular sleep schedule confuses your internal clock, leading to poor sleep quality, more nighttime awakenings, and daytime fatigue. Think of it like this. Imagine setting an alarm clock at different times every day. You'd never feel fully in sync, right? Your body works the same way. How to fix this mistake. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your internal clock, so you start feeling sleepy at the right time. Limit daytime naps to 20 to 30 minutes. Long naps can interfere with your ability to fall asleep at night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Take a warm bath, listen to soothing music, or do some light reading to signal to your body that it's time to sleep. By sticking to a consistent schedule, your body will learn when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up naturally. Now, let's recap what we've learned so far. Mistake number 1. Not getting enough sunlight. Fix it by getting at least 20 to 30 minutes of natural light each morning. Mistake number 2. Drinking the wrong beverages before bed. Fix it by avoiding caffeine and alcohol and switching to sleep-friendly drinks. Mistake number 3. Using screens before bed. Fix it by turning off electronics an hour before sleep and using warm lighting. Mistake number 4. Having an inconsistent sleep schedule. Fix it by setting a bedtime and wake-up time that stays the same every day. These 4 simple changes can completely transform your sleep, boost your energy, and even add years to your life. But we're not done yet. In the final part, I'll share some bonus tips to make your sleep even deeper and more refreshing. Plus, we'll talk about how better sleep directly impacts your health and longevity. So stick with me, because your best nights of sleep are just beginning. Now that we've covered the 4 biggest sleep mistakes that can reduce your sleep quality and even shorten your life, let's talk about some bonus tips that will take your sleep to the next level. Because good sleep isn't just about avoiding mistakes, it's about creating the best possible environment for deep restorative rest. And when you start sleeping better, you'll notice a more energy during the day, sharper memory and better focus, less stress and anxiety, and lower risk of heart disease, dementia, and diabetes. A longer, healthier life. Let's talk about 3 powerful ways to make your sleep even deeper and more refreshing. 1. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Did you know that your body temperature naturally drops at night to help you sleep? That's why a cool bedroom, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius, is ideal for deep sleep. Also, light exposure during sleep can confuse your brain and cause frequent wake-ups. Even small amounts of light from street lights, alarm clocks, or night lights can disrupt your sleep cycles. Set your bedroom temperature to a cool, comfortable level. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out light. Reduce noise-use earplugs or a white noise machine if needed. 2. Upgrade your sleep position and mattress. Your sleep position plays a huge role in how well you rest. If you often wake up with aches, pains, or stiffness, it could be time to adjust how you sleep. If you have back pain, try sleeping on your side with a pillow between your knees. If you have acid reflux, sleeping on your left side can help prevent heartburn. If you snore, try sleeping slightly elevated with an extra pillow. Also, when was the last time you replaced your mattress or pillow? An old, worn-out mattress can cause poor spinal alignment and body aches, making it harder to sleep deeply. Replace your mattress every 8 to 10 years. Use a supportive pillow that aligns your neck and spine. 3. Practice a simple nighttime relaxation routine. One of the best ways to improve your sleep quality is to calm your mind and body before bed. Stress and overthinking are huge sleep disruptors, so creating a soothing bedtime routine helps signal to your brain that it's time to rest. Try deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. And exhale for 6 seconds. Listen to calming music or nature sounds. Do gentle stretches or light yoga before bed. Write in a gratitude journal. Reflect on positive moments from your day. Even just 10 minutes of relaxation before bed can help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. Final recap: how to sleep better and live longer. We've now covered the 4 major sleep mistakes and simple fixes that can completely transform your rest. Mistake number 1: not getting enough sunlight. Get at least 20 to 30 minutes of natural light in the morning. Mistake number 2: drinking the wrong beverages. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and excess liquids before bed. Mistake number 3: using screens too close to bedtime. Turn off electronics 1 hour before sleep. Reset. Mistake number 4: having an inconsistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. And our bonus sleep boosting tips: keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Adjust your sleep position for better comfort and spinal alignment. Practice a relaxing nighttime routine to calm your mind and body. By following these simple yet powerful habits, you'll start waking up feeling truly rested, full of energy, and ready to enjoy life. Your next steps. Now, I want to challenge you: which of these sleep fixes will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips on healthy aging, longevity, and living your best life after 60. Remember, better sleep means a better, longer life. Start making these small changes today, and you'll feel the difference faster than you think. Here's to deeper sleep, more energy, and a healthier future.